What if I told you there's a tool that can take your creativity to a whole new level, a tool packed with features that most people don't even know exist? Yes, I'm talking about Leonardo AI. In this video, we'll explore its hidden tricks, break down every feature, and I'll even share a hack to use it for free. Sounds exciting? Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Leonardo AI, it sounds fancy, doesn't it? But let me tell you, it's not just fancy. It's a game changer. Whether you're a content creator, a designer, or just someone curious about AI, this tool has something for everyone. It's not just another software, it's a powerhouse that can turn your ideas into reality. From generating stunning images to designing with precision, Leonardo AI takes creativity to the next level. And here's the best part. Even if you're on a tight budget and think you can't afford it, I've got a solution for you. By the end of this video, you'll know a smart way to use Leonardo AI without spending a single penny. So, stick with me as we dive into every feature and see why Leonardo AI is a must-have in your creative toolkit. Image generation. Let's start with Leonardo AI's most popular feature, Image Generation Star. Imagine this. You have an idea in your head. Maybe it's a futuristic city with flying cars or an anime character inspired by your favorite series. With Leonardo AI, you can type a description, and in seconds, your idea transforms into a high-quality image. Here's a step-by-step example. Say you want to create a magical forest scene. Just type something like, a mystical forest with glowing trees and a waterfall under the moonlight, and let Leonardo AI do the rest. The results are stunning. Vivid colors, realistic textures, and incredible details. But what if the image isn't perfect? Don't worry. That's where the upscale tool comes in. It sharpens the image, enhances the details, and makes it look like it was shot by a professional photographer. It's like adding a finishing touch that turns good into great. This feature alone makes Leonardo AI worth trying. Generative Fill. Next up is Generative Fill, a feature that feels almost magical. Have you ever worked on an image and wished you could expand the background or fill in missing parts seamlessly? With Generative Fill, you can do just that. Here's how it works. Highlight the area you want to edit, describe what you need, and watch Leonardo AI fill it in perfectly. For example, let's say you have an image of a person standing on a beach, but you want to extend the ocean view. Just select the empty space, type ocean with gentle waves under a sunset sky, and voila! The tool adds a realistic background that blends seamlessly with the original image. This feature isn't just for fixing incomplete images. It's a lifesaver for designers who want to make quick edits or add creative elements without starting from scratch. Whether you're enhancing a project or fixing mistakes, Generative Fill makes your workflow faster and smoother. Motion design. Now, let's talk about something exciting, Motion Design Star. While this feature is still in beta, it's already making waves. Motion design lets you create animations or add dynamic elements to your projects. Imagine adding moving text to a presentation, animating a logo for your brand, or even creating short video clips for social media. For instance, let's say you're designing a social media post. With motion design, you can make the text appear with a cool sliding effect or add a subtle animation to your graphics. It's simple, intuitive, and doesn't require advanced editing skills. Although it's still in development, this feature has huge potential. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make their content more interactive and engaging without spending hours on complex tools. Bonus features. Leonardo AI isn't just about creating images and animations. It offers so much more. Let's take a quick look at some of its bonus features. Need to save time? Leonardo AI has a library of pre-designed templates for everything from social media posts to marketing materials. Just pick a template, customize it, and you're good to go. 3D asset generation. For those working on 3D projects, this feature is a game changer. You can create 3D models of objects quickly and easily, making it ideal for game developers or product designers. What's impressive is that these features are designed to be user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, Leonardo AI makes creativity accessible to everyone. What if you can't buy Leonardo AI? Now, let's address a common concern. What if you can't afford Leonardo AI? Don't worry, I've got a hack for you. Use Mail. Here's how it works. Create a temporary email address, sign up for a free trial of Leonardo AI, and start using its features without spending a dime. But a word of caution, use this responsibly. It's a great way to explore the tool and see if it's worth investing in later. And who knows, once you experience its power, you might find it's worth every penny. Pro tip for realistic images. Before we wrap up, here's one more tip. If your generated image doesn't look realistic enough, don't give up on it. Use the upscale tool. This feature can transform an average-looking image into something extraordinary. It enhances details, sharpens edges, and makes the final result look polished and professional. For example, a basic anime character design can be upscaled to look like it came straight out of a high-budget studio. It's these small touches that can make a huge difference. So, that's Leonardo AI in a nutshell. From its incredible image generation and generative fill features to the promising motion design tool and bonus options like templates and 3D asset creation, this software is a powerhouse of creativity. And remember, even if you can't afford it right now, you can always use Mail to explore its features for free. With a little practice, tools like Upscale can take your work from good to amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments which Leonardo AI feature you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.